Good morning, everyone. Today I, Ishika, hi everyone,
Hi Vedant.
hi everyone, and I, Radhika, are here to present our project based on smart mosquito breeding detector and alert system under Viksit Bharat. Mosquito-borne diseases like dengue, malaria, and chikungunya have become major threats to public health. These diseases spread mainly due to stagnant water is left unnoticed in open areas, ponds, or drains, which turns into mosquito breeding ground. Our team's sparkling stars from Tip Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Ambernath identified this issue around our school and community. We developed a smart mosquito breeding detector and alert system by using Arduino technology and water sensor to detect stagnant water automatically. This project aims to raise awareness and provide an affordable as well as an eco-friendly solution for early detection. By combining science, technology, and community action together, our goal is to make our surroundings cleaner, safer, and free from mosquito-borne diseases. The problem is the stagnant water in public places, drains, and around homes often goes unnoticed for long periods. This allows mosquito to breed and spread diseases. Manual monitoring is time-consuming and ineffective, especially in large areas. There is a need for an automated system that can detect stagnant water early and alert the concerned authorities and local residents to take an quick action.
For the solution, we use components like Arduino controller, LED, and a buzzer. The entire project works on solar energy and rechargeable batteries, which make them eco-friendly. The solar energy provides power to all the components. Our project is simple yet effective to detect stagnant water. Our aim is to keep hygiene and cleanliness in surroundings, reduce sources of mosquito breeding, and help people through innovative projects. Our project not only detects stagnant water but also motivates people to keep hygiene and cleanliness. Our project can be installed in some places like schools, colonies, and public places.
Our product consists of different types of mechanisms. One of those, the detection mechanism, it has sensors to identify stagnant water and the moisture level in the water. Second is control system. Control system comprises of Arduino microcontroller, which gives the power to other components. Third is alert system. It consists of LED and buzzer. The buzzer buzzes and the LED lights up when the sensor detects. Power supply. Power supply is delivered from the solar panel and it is very eco-friendly and sustainable. Application area. It can be installed as baths, spoons, restaurant colonies, and drains, construction sites to monitor the stagnant water. Future scope is we can use SMS and IoT-based technologies to this product. The solar panel gives the energy to the battery. The battery stores the energy. When needed, the battery gives the electricity to the Arduino. Arduino gives 5-volt energy on the other components. The power pin is the positive connected to the positive terminal and the GND pin is connected to all the negative terminals of all the other components. So now I am here to conclude all the things that has been stated by my team members earlier. जो हमारा टॉपिक है स्मार्ट मॉस्किटो ब्रीडिंग डिटेक्टर एंड अलर्ट सिस्टम, वो ये रिफ्लेक्ट करता है कि कैसे हम टेक्नोलॉजी को सोशल वेलफेयर के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. इस प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू मेरी टीम ने रियल लाइफ चैलेंजेस को सॉल्व करने के लिए उसमें साइंटिफिक नॉलेज अप्लाई करने का इम्पोर्टेंस सीखा. हमने टीम वर्क, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स और डिजाइनिंग स्किल्स भी डेवलप की. जो पॉजिटिव फीडबैक मिला हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे टीचर्स और हमारी कम्युनिटी से, उसने हमें मोटिवेट किया इस प्रोजेक्ट को आगे जाते और इम्प्रूव करने का, इसमें वाटर प्रूफ और डेटा रिकॉर्डिंग फीचर्स ऐड करके. ये इनोवेशन अर्ली प्रिवेंशन को प्रमोट करती है, डिजीज रिस्क को रिड्यूस करती है और क्लीन सराउंडिंग एनकरेज करती है. और हमें विश्वास है कि अगर इसका डेवलपमेंट कंटिन्यू रहा तो यह आगे जाके स्कूल, सोसाइटी और म्यूनिसिपल एरियाज में भी इम्प्लीमेंट हो सकती है. नेशन का जो गोल है हेल्थियर और मॉस्किटो फ्री कम्युनिटी, उसको सपोर्ट करने की. सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू सबमिट आवर आइडिया विद अ कोट. He who has health has a woe, and he who has a woe has everything. Thank you.